Hi everyone, I'm Pritam. I'm a graduate student at University of British Columbia. In this demo presentation, we will look at stealthy attacks and its impact on autonomous robotic vehicle missions. Robotic vehicles such as drones and rovers have been shown vulnerable to spoofing and signal injection attacks. These attacks manipulate sensor and actuator measurements and derange RVs from its course. Model-based techniques have been proposed for detecting attacks against RVs, as RVs inherently rely on control principles. Control-based estimations have been used to derive invariance and detecting attacks. Techniques such as control invariance and EKF use control estimations to predict RVs' physical dynamics in real time. As attacks trigger variations in RV's physical dynamics, control techniques flag this variation between model estimations and observed output using threshold analysis and report an attack. However, we find that these techniques fail to accurately model RV's physical behavior, and they're only effective in detecting overt deviations in RV's trajectory. We present three types of stealthy attacks, namely false data injection, artificial delay, and switch mode attack that evade control-based techniques and disrupt RV missions. Let's take a deeper look at false data injection attack. Here, instead of triggering an overt deviation in RV's trajectory, a controlled deviation is launched throughout the mission, which gradually deviates the RV from its course. Let's take a look at this demo video. In this mission, the rover covers a distance of 50 meters, and as can be seen, the attack triggers intermittent and controlled deviation while evading detection. And as the mission progresses, the deviation gradually becomes larger. For this 50-meter mission, the attack deviated the rover by about 15 meters from its target. We find that for missions longer than 5 kilometers, this attack can result in deviations longer than 160 meters. The switch mode attack is launched in certain vulnerable states during an RV mission. For example, when a drone transitions from steady state to landing mode. And when timed at these vulnerable states, this attack can result in crashes. Let's take a look at this demo video. In this mission, the drone is supposed to land close to this orange cone, and when it is almost about to land, the attack is triggered and it aggressively lands the drone, resulting in a crash. And this attack also remains undetected. We find in our experiments that the switch mode attack can result in crashes in more than 50% of the cases. So in summary, we presented vulnerabilities in control-based attack detection techniques, and we demonstrated stealthy attacks on real RV systems, presenting their impacts on RV missions. Our attack code and more attack videos are available in the link shown on screen. Thank you for your attention.